Hello viewers, as you can see, this place is this is Crawford University, and this is the main road leading to the Crawford University main gate. As you can see, it's blocked. Show the camera there. Yeah, you can see it's completely blocked. Even Shingba when they pass. And as you can see here, look at here. This is not this here not the river. It's not river. It's just flood. And look at here again. Look at here again. So everything here is blocked, as you can see. So we are calling on the government to intervene. We also discovered that Abeokuta have been notified of what is going on here, and this is the main road though. When we get inside, you will discover that the entire community have been sacked by the flood. Thank you very much. God bless you. This is the Bushman reporting for Bush Family TV. Thank you very much.
In fact, I felt láti bí ìjẹta àbí ìjẹrin kò sí kan nù wa náà tó sùn àti dọ́dọ̀ kábíyèsí àti pè wọ́n lábẹ́òkúta. In fact, àwọn tó ń ṣe ọ̀nà yìí àná ló yẹ kán wá síbí láti wá wò àti rin gbogbo bí pátápátá dọ̀hún yẹn. But because of the holiday, don't see. Oh, what's it? So they are promised us that they are coming there tomorrow. Come and do.